Planning and packing your outfits for spring break is important, and so are the supplements. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you my 5 healthy travel hacks to help set you up for success, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. My first tip is to make sure you pack balanced snacks. Snacks or supplements can be key to keeping up energy levels and keeping the family entertained and satisfied. For your trip, consider a Nature's Way Alive Women's Multivitamin, made with food-based orchard fruits and garden veggies power blend. Secondly, do a gut insurance check. When traveling, you probably aren't eating what you would normally eat, which can lead to gastrointestinal distress. Don't forget to pack a probiotic as part of your daily routine, like Nature's Way Fortify Women's 30 Billion Daily Probiotic, a convenient capsule you can take anywhere with no refrigeration required. Third is hydration. Make sure you pack a reusable water bottle. Dehydration is incredibly common when traveling, which can lead to irritability, fatigue, and digestive distress. My fourth tip is to keep health and safety in mind for your immune system. To boost your immunity, add Nature's Way Sambucus Elderberry Gummies, which are great tasting gummies for the whole family. That includes vitamin C, D3, and zinc as well. And don't forget to pack hand sanitizer and disinfectant wipes for washing your hands or eating surfaces. Lastly, schedule your aisles online order. Coming home to an empty fridge or pantry is the worst. Use Hy-Vee Aisles Online to schedule a delivery or pickup so that it's ready for you when you return home from vacation.